Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Conrad ke sangma ulakin tai ya ke jingkeno jong presiden ke Kongres uba Vincent H Pala ba ke NPP ke don hapdeng ke jingkenat shwa ke election Raja Sabha. Haba keren kilat pathai Khubor Conrad ula ong ba ke NPP ke long ke seng ke babut ya ke sinshar paidbah bat baro kirai la shim hadien ke jingkren bat ke jingmer jingmon hapdeng ki MLA bat ki noyalam ke parti. Ulo ong ru bakam don kanu ke jingpra ne ke jingpher jingmut hapo ke NPP Hindray ula kintu pinban ni upala bo unpet shwa hiki jing hapo ke Kongres. Conrad ula binram bawat la kidon la ki jong ki jingmut jing perkhat Hindray ha ka bakun ka parti kan shim ya karai ka babhatam na ka binta ke Jylla bat ka parti hi baro ka wai. Halor ke election Raja Sabha ka banwan ulo ong babaro ki MLA ke NPP kinsa yeshong jingalang ban shimlang ya karai halor ka binta jong ka parti.
We have been very clear that when it comes to the National People's Party, we are very democratic in our process. There is no, concept of high command coming in and bulldozing a decision. You will see that in most of the issues and cases that are there is always a very positive, critical, and a constructive discussion that takes place before we finalize on anything. And yes, in that meeting, we'll say everything that we want to say, even if it means that I don't agree with you. And that's how our healthy democracy works, and that's how we believe, and the principle on the basis of which we, as a party, and even in governance, that we are moving forward. So therefore, let me assure Mr. Pala that he doesn't have to worry about the any kind of cracks in the NPP. I mean, maybe he has to see more of the cracks in Congress, but definitely we are here to work together. But yes, we have our views, we have our opinions. That is natural for any individual. But at the end of the day, we will do what is in the best interest of the party, and more importantly, what is in the best interest of the state. Keep in mind the coming Rajya Sabha elections. We are very clear. It is going to be a democratic process again, and all the party members, all the party MLAs, most importantly, who are going to be the main voters, will sit down and discuss and then decide on how we should move forward.
Thank you.
Okay.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.